Welcome back, everyone. This is day 24 of our 60-day senior fitness series. If you're new here, this series is specially made for seniors over 60 to help you stay strong, flexible, and independent. Today, we'll be doing 3 simple leg exercises, easy, safe, and very effective. Exercise 1, sit to stand, chair squats. All right, everyone, welcome to day 24 of our 60-day senior fitness series. Today we begin with one of the most effective and simple leg exercises, the sit to stand, chair squats. This move helps strengthen your thighs, knees, hips, and lower back. It also improves your balance and makes daily movements like standing from a chair much easier. Tool: all you need is a sturdy chair placed on a flat surface. Make sure your chair is stable and will not slip during the exercise. Sit comfortably with your feet shoulder width apart. Keep your back straight, cross your arms over your chest, and get ready. When you stand, press your feet into the ground and use your leg muscles, not your hands. When you sit, go down slowly and with control. Now let's begin our 50 repetitions together. Follow my lead, breathe naturally, and keep your posture upright. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, halfway there. How's everyone feeling? Keep breathing. You are doing amazing. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Stay strong, my friends. Only a few more to go. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Excellent work! That was a wonderful effort. Take a deep breath and sit comfortably for a moment. Your legs might feel a light burn, but that is your strength building up. This exercise may look simple, but it does wonders for your balance, joint flexibility, and leg power. If you completed all 50 repetitions, you should feel proud of yourself. Your legs are becoming stronger every single day. Tell me in the comments how you are feeling right now and from which country you are joining us. Remember to share this video with 5 to 7 of your senior friends so they can exercise with you. Great job, everyone! Your legs are truly waking up today. Exercise 2. Seated leg lifts. Great job, everyone! You have completed your first exercise, and now we are moving on to exercise 2, seated leg lifts. This exercise helps to strengthen your thighs, knees, and hip joints. It improves your leg control and flexibility, especially if you have trouble walking or climbing stairs. The best part is that you can do this while sitting comfortably in your chair, which makes it perfect for seniors of all fitness levels. Tool. Use the same sturdy chair you used before. Sit tall with your back straight, feet flat on the ground, and hands resting lightly on the sides of the chair for balance. When lifting your leg, do not rush. Lift slowly and with control. Hold the leg up for 2 seconds, then lower it gently. We will start with the right leg first, then alternate with the left. Now, let's do 50 repetitions together, 25 on each leg. Ready? Let's begin. Lift your right leg and count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Great job. Now switch to the left leg. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Fantastic work! You have completed all 50 repetitions. How are you feeling right now? You should notice your thighs feeling a little tight. That means your muscles are working and getting stronger. Keep breathing normally and maintain your posture upright. This exercise does not just make your legs stronger, it also helps improve blood flow and keeps your knee joints flexible. Tell me in the comments which country you are exercising from. I love seeing our global senior family staying active together. You are doing amazing. Every repetition is building your strength and confidence. Beautiful work, my friends. Your thighs and knees are truly getting stronger with every lift. Exercise 3, Standing Heel Raises, Calf Strengthener. Excellent work, everyone. You are doing an amazing job. Now it is time for our third and final exercise for today, Standing Heel Raises. This movement targets your calf muscles, which are very important for walking, standing, and maintaining good balance. Strong calves help you stay steady and confident on your feet. Tool: you will need the same sturdy chair. Stand behind the chair and hold the backrest gently with both hands for balance. Keep your feet shoulder width apart, your back straight, and your eyes forward. When you lift your heels, rise slowly and feel the stretch in your calf muscles. Hold that position for 1 second, then lower your heels gently back down to the ground. Now let us begin 50 repetitions together. Follow my pace, breathe naturally, and keep a small smile on your face. Ready? Let us go. Lift and lower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. We are halfway there. Keep your posture tall and share this video with your senior friends so they can strengthen their legs with you. 26. 27. 28. 29. 30. 31. 32. 33. 34. 35. 36. 37. 38. 39. 40. 41. 42. 43. 44. 45. 46. 47. 48. 49. 50. Excellent work! You did it! Take a deep breath and relax your shoulders. Feel that gentle warmth in your lower legs. That light burn in your calves means your muscles are getting stronger. Every lift improves your stability, balance, and walking endurance. These standing heel raises may seem simple, but they are one of the best exercises to prevent falls and keep your legs powerful and mobile. If you completed all 50 repetitions with me today, you should be proud. Write in the comments, "I did it," and tell me how your legs are feeling after this exercise. Remember to share this video with 5 to 7 of your senior friends so they can join you in building stronger, healthier legs. Great job, everyone. Your calves are getting stronger every single day.